Hey everybody, I'm Randell and welcome back to my channel for yet another weekly workshop update. This update is going to be a little different and it's going to be incredibly fast. So, just to start you off, I have been sick for about the last week or so, give or take. I am on antibiotics now, so I should be well very soon, or at least that's the idea. It's nothing crazy, just some kind of bug, I think. But basically, because of that, I haven't been in a workshop at all. Even though there is progress on the airboat, I haven't captured any on camera. And the days I have worked, I've just wanted to get in and out. I haven't taken any video as well. So for that, I do apologize. This update is not what I would like it to be. But in lieu of trying to be consistent and do a weekly update, I want to get on here and just talk with you guys for a few minutes. So basically, last week, work-wise, I did do a couple jobs, one of which we removed a ton of dirt between two houses. So, other than that, we did do a deck grade and a cleanup. Moving right along, the airboat, not a whole lot of progress, but so basically the clips that I would include at this point aren't really going to be missed, I don't think, and I think I may be able to recreate some of them for the final video. Last week we were waiting for the containers and the hatch lids to come in before we put the final deck on. The containers have come in. The sheeting for the deck was already cut out previously. That's went ahead and been bolted down. And as of right now, the deck is on, all of the containers are in place, the hatch lids are on, and the front seat is bolted in place. Moving forward, he can either get the boat running and be able to take it, or he's going to start doing cosmetics. Now, by cosmetics, we're getting C-deck across the entire face of the boat. The seats should be done very soon. Those, again, are going to be a little more cosmetic. Not really going to give away what he's having put on the seats, anything like that. I'll do that in the final video, or at least once they come in. So, other than that, it's basically the C-decking. Seat's got to go on, and then some. He's set on a name, so we've got to kind of figure out what he's going to do on the rudders, if he's going to do artwork, if he's going to paint them, he's just going to put the name of the boat. Again, all decisions that he needs to make, and then we can move forward. Other than that, though, the airboat is very, very close, and I'm super excited about the video. Again, there's been a few clips I've missed, so hopefully we can recreate those when he's back, or at least get something. That way there's not a gap. Now, they aren't anything major, so I may be able to move forward and kind of make it work to where you can still manage to understand what's going on without the exact clips. So we'll see. And workshop. Basically, again, I have done, if I had time off, if I had time to rest, that's what I did. So workshop, I haven't been at all. Now, I do have a couple orders coming up, nothing that's time sensitive. Basically, one's for a wedding that's 6-8 months off. The woman saw something she liked and has given me kind of a rough idea of what she wants and given me the okay to run with it how I see fit. So I have a few ideas. I think it's going to be fairly cool, and I'll tell you about them once I get started. Other than that, that's pretty much it though. I've got a couple orders in a workshop. Got a few projects I want to dive into, but I'm going to finish these orders first. That is pretty much it for me though. I do have one announcement. There is a contest going on. I don't think there's any prizes involved. It's just kind of bragging rights, something to do. So, as some of you may know, May 4th is, sometimes, or is commonly known as May the 4th be with you, or sort of like a Star Wars holiday. So if you're into that kind of stuff, RC Wood is putting on a contest for makers. So anybody that is on Instagram or YouTube, or anybody in general that just would like to participate, if you're going to make a project, there's really no guidelines other than the fact that it needs to be Star Wars themed. So I don't think it matters if you go all out and you make a giant piece of furniture. I don't think it matters if you make some kind of decor piece. It doesn't really matter. The only stipulation is it has to be Star Wars themed, and hopefully you're documenting your process. So either document it in photos, post them up on Instagram, or post a YouTube video using that same hashtag again down below. In the meantime, all of the information you can find over on RC Wood's Instagram page. I'm going to link his YouTube channel, his Instagram, the hashtag. And once again, I want to apologize. I know this video isn't up to par with what I've been trying to do, but I'm trying to be consistent. So do forgive me. I hope you like this video in lieu of the fact that it's not fancy, doesn't have the clips like I would hope. If you want to check out some other stuff, you're new to my channel, I'll post some links around here. Hopefully you go check those out and you kind of get an idea of what my channel is all about. I do post a weekly workshop update once a week and project videos when I can get to them. Right now they're kind of sporadic. I do hope to get a set schedule in the future, but again, I'm going to post a link over here. It'll be a playlist. Go check out the project videos, go check out my past workshop updates, get a feel for what the channel is. And if you like it, if you like this video, if you like anything, guys, hit that like button below, subscribe so you get notified when I post. And in the meantime, that is it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you on the next one.